our town. I have watched these waters waking, seen the schooners greet the dawn, heard the ringing of the hammers long before the day was born. Every dream begins with someone who will lend a willing hand, brick by brick and heart by heart. This is how a town will stand, not by wealth, not by glory, not by one remembered name, but by neighbors standing shoulder to shoulder, keeping faith from flame to flame. This is our town, these are our streets, built by ordinary hands doing extraordinary things. This is our home, this is our ground. Every child who dreams tomorrow stands on what we built today. This is our town. Every mill and every harbor, every classroom filled with light, every church bell, every workshop, every porch at close of night. None were built by one alone. Every beam was lifted high by people who believed tomorrow was worth every sacrifice. Years will pass, faces change, still the promise stays the same. Every generation writes another page in the story of this place. This is our town, these are our streets, built by ordinary hands doing extraordinary things. This is our home, this is our ground. Every child who dreams tomorrow stands on what we built today. This is our town. This is our town. So lift your eyes beyond the moment, think beyond these passing days. Someone yet unborn will someday walk the paths we choose to pave. Let them find a town of kindness, let them find a town of grace. Let them say they left us something beautiful.